UNV enjoys a unique global mandate to promote volunteerism, which has been recognized as a powerful cross-cutting means of implementing the 2030 Agenda. And UN volunteers are an important talent management solution available to the UN system. UNV Sri Lanka has mobilized thousands of UN volunteers and VForce volunteers supporting United Nations, government and civil society organizations. UNV champions environments in which volunteerism can flourish, and partnerships are key to our success.
UNV has been the trusted focal point within the UN system to engage with a diversity of partners for integrating volunteerism into development work. The contributions made by volunteers are indispensable for reaching the ambitious targets set out in the 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development Goals.
The dedication of staff serving UNDP through the UNV extended family is truly extraordinary. UNV and VForce volunteers contribute to UNDP as the largest partner, hosting 170 volunteers approximately during the recent years from 2019 to 2021.
The World Food Programme has had the honor of collaborating with the United Nations volunteers for many decades. This incredibly talented pool of UN volunteers has supported WFP in our mission to improve nutrition and food security in Sri Lanka.
UNICEF has been fortunate to engage the services of UNVs in our work to address the needs of children in Sri Lanka, including during the pandemic. From helping to close the gaps in the cold chain inventory, a crucial step in strengthening the health system here in Sri Lanka, to coordinating some of the risk communications work.
When the tsunami struck the coastline of Sri Lanka on 26 December 2004, UN volunteers were among the first to be mobilized. They flew into the country within 24 to 48 hours to help the response efforts. Likewise, UN volunteers have contributed immensely, being on the front line of response effort.
Volunteerism provides opportunities, especially for young people, to contribute to the broad work of the United Nations in the areas of peace, development, human rights.
I'm particularly proud of the UNDP Youth Leads program, which was ranked the best team under 35 years of age by the Gov Insider Awards back in 2017.
Our partnership with the UNV is one that is mutually beneficial. WFP gains the expertise and support of passionate individuals. At the same time, the volunteer gains valuable experience working with the largest humanitarian organization.
And we know that when the need arises, we can always turn to the UNVs to help us fill the gaps.
We are truly grateful for the support we receive from the UN volunteers and look forward to increasing the power of volunteering to build a world where everyone has access to nutritious food.
And we are proud of the work by the UN volunteers to contribute meaningfully to the substantive work of the United Nations across the world.
We highly value all UN agencies that continue to host UN volunteers and VForce volunteers, championing change needed for a more equal and inclusive future together through volunteering.
We are truly inspiration in action.